Easy Plumbing Repair and Services was first established in 2009, having over 11 years of experience in the plumbing industry. The company was built on honesty, integrity, and the highest regard for the customer. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our customers have to say about us. Brenda Jones says, "A gentleman was quick and efficient, super friendly, and made sure to clean up after himself before he left. Highly recommend. Ensured COVID safety by wearing his mask." Roger Corwin says, "It was a smooth experience I had with a plumber. Inside and out, no mess, no waste of time. Everything was kept clean and tidy, and the prices were very reasonable. We'll use them again in the future. We operate our business based on honesty, integrity, and to the highest of customer satisfaction. Contact us to book an appointment."